Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install Google Classroom on your PC or your laptop. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to Google Chrome. Now if you don't have Google Chrome installed, I already have a video on my channel on how to install Google Chrome, so you can check it out and install Google Chrome right away. Now if you already have it installed, make sure you are signed into your account where you want to access your Google Classroom from. So I'm already signed into my account, so I'm going to head over to my Google Apps. Now my Google Apps, I'm going directly to where my classroom is. I have my classroom here, so I will click on my classroom. Now this will load and open my Google Classroom directly for me here. Now the next thing I want to do is if you head over to the top here, you are going to see this option that says install Google Classroom here. Or second option is, if you don't see this, on the three dots here, if you click on the three dots, if you scroll down, you are going to see option here, cast, save and share. Cast, save and share. When you hover on it, you are going to see option that says install Google Classroom. So this is what you are looking for, it right there. Remember, you have it here, install Google Classroom, or you click on the three dots, you scroll down to cast, save and share. You see that install Google Classroom. So this is what you are looking for. So once you see that install Google Classroom, you can just click on it. It's going to give you the option to install app. Yes, you want to proceed and install. Now this will directly install Google Classroom for you, so you can go ahead and close it. So if I close everything, if I come to my desktop, here is my Google Classroom right on my desktop, also on my taskbar. Now anytime I open Google Classroom now on my computer, you can see it directly opens my Google Classroom directly for me here. So you can join class, create class, or do whatever you want to do here. So this is how you install Google Classroom on your computer. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, if you have any problem, any question, you can also comment and let me know. So thank you. See you in another video.